Hey guys, it's me Aditya Rapsan and welcome back to our channel Code Crap. So in today's video we're gonna learn about light and dark mode. How can we toggle this mode just by clicking any icon. As you can see, if we click the sun it goes to the light mode, and if we click the moon it goes to the dark mode. So without wasting time, let's go to our VS Code and we're gonna make it using React and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so first of all I have the Tailwind configuration, as you can see in the content and index.css, and we have a components folder, and in there we have a demo.jsx, and we have some styles here with my name and my channel name and some dummy text, and in the index.html we have a busy black in the body, and in f.gss we have the demo component. So let's go out to our terminal and type and go type npm namdep and go there. Let's view it. It's looking like this now. I think you can do this design. I am just showing you how can we make light and dark themes. So that's our point of view, so I don't want to waste your time. I know you can make this. Okay, so first of all we need two icons. For that we should need to download npm I means install react icons. Then we need to go to our any browsers, then we should search for react icons. Okay, go to the first page, and I am gonna use two icons. One will be moon. We're gonna use fa font awesome 6 moon. Okay, let's copy it, paste it in the top of our demo jx components. Okay, then we need a bi sun. Okay, we're also copied that, and let's paste it in here. Okay, we are done. So in the under main tag we are gonna use that under a div. So we should use a class of margin 4. As we know, we are using Tailwind CSS and it's so easy to make anything. Okay, so first of all let's design it, then we should work about this. So it's looking like this in here. So just add class name, then we are gonna use it cursor as cursor pointer. Okay, that's whenever we hover that it's point our cursor, and we are gonna use text to 3 xls. 3 xl is looking kinda smaller, so we should give to 5 xls. That looks good. Because I'm giving you a demo and we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this class. Okay, it's looking good, and just we should use a py in here of 2 would be good. So then we need a if hook which would be state user state. So for that we are going to type const theme and set theme user state, and the default theme for now is gonna be light, because because we don't need. Let's toggle the two icons. Whenever we click the moon it's go to the sun icon, and when we click the sun it's go to the moon. So for that we're gonna use theme. If the theme is equal to dark, we're gonna use ternary operator, as you can see. Then two things: if the theme is dark, then we are gonna show a icon. If it's not theme, then we are gonna use this icon, which means the moon icons. And if it's dark mode, so we are gonna show the bi sun icon, which means the sun icons. Okay, I hope you understand this. If the theme is dark, then we are gonna show the sun icon, and if the theme is light, we are gonna show the moon icons. And on click we are gonna change the theme set by using set theme to. If the theme is dark, then it would be light, set theme would be light, and we're gonna copy this. Okay, we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it in here, and it is for our light mode. So we're gonna do it in why. Oh, I didn't give a second brackets in here. Okay, yes, not there, let's add there. Okay, okay, now it's working. I think yes, it's working right now. Okay, it's working. We can toggle it right now, and now it's our main part. Okay, and let's go to our template configuration.js file. We're gonna use dark mode. We have a dark mode, and we're gonna use class based dark mode. So we're gonna use dark mode colon class, then a comma. Okay, in index.html, in html tag we're gonna use class is equal to dark. Okay, let's for that we need we are gonna use local storage and use effect for that, and use effect snippet by using use effect snippet. And the last third bracket we're gonna use theme, because our first theme and we should import it, otherwise it won't work. So let's delete this thing, and we're gonna use if else statement. If okay, condition would be theme if the theme is dark. Okay, then we are gonna add a class to our document, okay, which would be dark class. Okay, for that we are gonna use document, we're gonna write, okay, document element dot class list dot add and are dark. Okay, okay, and else okay, let's copy that line, and if else we are gonna remove that dark class name. Okay, and we are gonna use also local storage. Without it, it shouldn't be working. Okay, for that we need a local storage, and I will show the demo of local storage. For that, to use local storage, we are gonna use local storage dot set item. We're gonna set theme to dark and theme to light. Okay, for that we are gonna use theme. Okay, first under the bracket there would be theme, and the second one, because it's for dark mode, and if we remove that, if we remove the dark class, and it would be for light mode. Okay, so you we don't need in here. We should type local storage dot get item, which will be theme. Okay, if the theme, we're gonna use also ternary operator in here. Okay, if the theme okay, if the first theme is dark, then we're gonna use local storage theme would be dark, otherwise there would be a light. Okay, and under the colon we're gonna use light. Okay, hope it's work. Okay, it's most probably I can see it's working. So let's just, everything is good, so let's just clear. Okay, let's show our local storage. In the application we have a local storage, and then go just uh, just see, if we click the moon icon, there would be theme would be value, as you can see, would be dark, and if we click the moon icon it's light, and if we click the moon icon it's dark, and if we click the sun icon it's light. Okay, that means it's working. So anywhere we use dark colon, then any anything we write in Tailwind CSS that works for our dark mode when we click the moon icon. Okay, so let's change this, change something, not data. In main tag we're gonna use busy. Normally I gave it busy to white, and we're gonna use busy to black. Okay, and also text to white, in dark mode text would be white. Okay, and we are gonna toggle the color. Okay, in there h1 to h1 text. So if the mode is dark, then we're gonna use text indigo to my name, and and we're gonna dark mode, and founder of codecraft, it's gonna be cyan color. Okay, then that means we're gonna toggling the color whenever we click the. So as you can see, we are done. If we click that changes the background of everything, and it changes the text h1 colors. So that was so easy, and thanks for watching. I hope you understand the video. You have the free source code in the description box. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Meeting with you in the next video. Tada.